Beat my ass, pepper spray me, thanks me.
A local liquor store in Palm Coast, Florida, turned into complete chaos when an irate New York man caused bottles to fly, glass to shatter,
Do it again, I like the rough stuff.
and terrified employees and customers to scramble to safety. By the time deputies arrived, the damage was already in the tens of thousands, and then find him still standing on the counter, ready for a confrontation.
Get out. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Sure.
Earlier in the day, the man bought several liquor shots, left, and then came back, demanding more. When the clerk refused, he erupted, jumping onto the counter, screaming, spitting, and throwing bottles across the store. With a large knife tucked in his waistband and blood dripping from his hands, he left behind a liquor store in ruins, while the clerk and customers barricaded themselves in the back room.
Foxtrot 314 flagger, one secured.
So what happened? None of your business.
Oh, this kind of my business.
Fuck you.
Okay. All right. That's the stance you want to take, bro.
Yes, sir.
How do you have this on?
None of your business.
All right.
Between me and you, would you like an excuse to beat my ass? Because I can give you one.
No, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, you're good, bro.
I will ask one more time. I will give you one if you would decide that.
No, dude. We're just trying to figure out why you were up on the counter.
That's your job to figure out.
All right, bro. That's what we're doing, man.
Cool. I'm cool with that.
Good, man.
Excellent. So we're all on the same
As long
page.
as you're cool with us, we'll be cool with you, bro.
You do whatever you gotta do.
All right. I don't know how he's got that on him, dude.
What?
I have this tied on here pretty good, don't you?
Oh, man. That means you ain't doing your job too well.
I could agree with that. You get an ID or anything on you, bro?
Figure it out.
All right.
The best
What's
way
your
you know
name?
how.
What's your name, bro?
I don't know.
John Doe?
I'm a stupid retard.
John Doe? Okay.
Hell, I mean, even they
Hey, you can go to jail as John Doe, bro. I don't
Cool.
care.
Been there, done that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Stop moving around, though.
No.
Okay, well, then we'll...
Boogity. Beat my ass, pepper spray me, thanks me.
Stop.
Woo, wee-haw.
Stop.
Hee-haw.
Sir?
You, sir.
Hey!
Do it again. I like the rough stuff. I'm gonna bite your head.
Shirt's about to be cut off. I
And
can
spit on it.
off his chest.
Do what you gotta do.
No, it's like attached to him. All right, bro.
Take the wall. Make me. I know you can, but I would like to see your skills.
You're gonna go.
I would like to see your skills. Hey, you want some skills, sir? Is the knife all you have on you? I appreciate your skills.
Right there. Yeah.
Good enough.
It's all tied up, son.
Oh,
I got it.
you want such a bunch of tough, man. I bet your penis is real small. I understand why you would like to be tough, man.
Stop spitting.
Make me. Smash my face in the concrete. Do it. I give you my consent.
He spit at me and spit on her.
I spit again. I spit again. Smash my face. Break my jaw. Do it. Do it.
Let go. Let go.
Grind my face in the pavement all you want to make you feel like you've got a superior penis. Don't matter. Gotta judge you at the end of the day. I mean, you're alive. You will burn in hell forever. And I will gladly accept. Oh, another one of these. I got one of these in South Carolina. I enjoyed it. I used to catch fish. Oh. He thinks he's hurt me.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
I don't give a fuck.
Ready? We're gonna stand you up. Ready?
What you gotta do?
1, 2, 3, up.
Deputies apprehended him, but not before he kicked, screamed, and spit at them, earning himself a spit mask
Don't mind me.
and a trip to jail.
All right, man. Sit down.
Okay. Get your hands off me.
Watch your head.
Get your hands.
His charges stack high.
Watch your feet.
Burglary with assault, multiple counts of battery on law enforcement, resisting with violence, criminal mischief, and more. Damages alone top $20,000. This man came down from New York, but it looks like Florida is where he'll be staying, behind bars, with bond set at nearly $250,000. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more split-second police decisions, and check out the playlist on your screen.